Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 16th July 2020 and this is your chapter 3rd of today's class. And chapter 3rd, you know about that public, private and global enterprises. And this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have told to you about the types of joint venture. Okay, so now I want to tell today about the advantages of the joint venture, merits or advantages of the joint venture. So look here, advantages of joint venture. Okay, so look here, the major advantages, their benefits, the major benefits, oblique advantages of joint ventures are as follows. Okay, so first heading, first, increased resources and capacity. Increased resources and capacity. The students, you know about that in the joint venture, there is based on the second part of the joint venture I have also taught to you, that is based on the equity based. In that type of the joint venture, each and every co-ventures has invest their amount regarding the capital investment, regarding the other type of the financial needs. Okay, so at that time their resources and capacity has been also increased. So that is the first merits, first advantage of the joint venture. So here you will write, joint venture leads to pooling of financial, physical and human resources of two or more firms, full stop. It enables the joint venture company to grow and expand more quickly and to take advantage of new opportunities. Okay, on the basis of that type of the resources, on the basis of their capacity, they can also get the advantages of the new opportunities. Okay, second point, access to new markets and distribution networks. Okay, so here a joint venture with a partner, from another region or country opens up a vast growing market Okay, because this is based on the achieving the access the new market for the distribution of their network. Clear? So now students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. Point number 3, access to technology. Access to technology. Okay, look, joint venture provides access to advanced techniques of production because they have lot of time, lot of money as per the resources, because every co-ventures has invest their amount regarding the capital investment, regarding the other types of the financial need investment, so they can easily access the new technology. So here you will write it here also, joint venture provides access to advanced techniques of production, full stop. It saves a lot of time, energy and investment, as there is no need to develop own technology, full stop. It also helps in producing superior quality products, superior quality products, and adds to efficiency and effectiveness by reducing cost of production. The students first understand it. It means on the basis of their new technology, on the basis of their investment amount, with the help of the co-ventures, they can also use the new technology, easily access the new technology. So on the basis of that type of thing, they can helps in producing superior quality product. It means they can do their work in a better way and adds the efficiency and effectiveness of reducing cost of production. Time se work khatam hoga and without any type of the wastage. So that type of the thing is based on the efficiency and effectiveness. So it is based on the access to technology. Okay, next point, innovation. In this competitive world, comma, joint venture proves to be very useful, in providing new and innovative products to come up to the expectation of customers. Okay, on the basis of that type of the work, with the help of the co-ventures, the joint venture can also provide very useful and new innovative products. So it is also based on the expectation of the customers. Okay, next, last point, last merits, established brand name. Established brand name. Some companies have some companies have well established brand name and goodwill. Full stop. Joint venture with such a company helps to get the benefit of goodwill to the other company. Okay, listen about that. I will also tell to you about the true example. The students, as like you know about the situation of the SBI Life Insurance Company. You know about that SBI Life Insurance Company is the joint venture of State Bank of India and BNP Paribas Bank. So students, on the basis of that type of thing, SBI Life Insurance has get the logo, get the name of SBI Life Insurance because more than 51% share capital has been invested by the State Bank of India. So at that time, that type of the SBI Life Insurance Company, that type of the new SBI Life Insurance Company that is based on the a joint venture of BNP Paribas and State Bank of India. So insurance company, such type of the insurance company has also get the benefit of their brand name. So on the basis of the joint venture, they can also help to get the benefits, helps to get the goodwill of that type of the other company. So it is possible on the basis of the joint venture. Clear students? So now I will tell to you about the disadvantages of joint venture in the next page. Okay, so students, this is your page 3rd of today's class. Now the limitations of joint ventures. Limitations of joint ventures. So some limitations of joint ventures as follows. Okay, so first point, difficult to maintain secrecy. Difficult to maintain secrecy. So the Indian company in joint venture with foreign company has to share trade secrets. Full stop. The business secrets are indirectly disclosed in the foreign market. You know about students, in the forms of the business, I have also told to you about the joint stock company. So as per the Companies Act, Indian Companies Act 2013, or as per the previous Companies Act 1956, it is mandatory to share financial records at a specific time duration after 1 year, basically. Okay, so at that time their secrecy will also disclose to the market. So on the basis of that type of the thing, it is difficult to maintain the secrecy. Second point, conflict of interest. Conflict of interest. you will write it here. Dual ownership may lead to conflict of interest. The decision making may be influenced by personal or their country's interest. Third point, problems in equity participation. Problems in equity participation. Both companies may aspire to have majority of shareholding in the joint venture to get control of the company. Okay, and last limitation is lack of coordination with centralized decision making. Students, this is your page number 4 of today's class. With centralized decision making, there may be delay in decision making or lack of coordination while implementing the decisions, thus making operations ineffective, because on the basis of the delay decisions, their operating activities is not effective. Okay, clear? So these are the merits and demerits of the joint ventures. So students, in the next topic I will start public private partnership. So I want to tell about you some points here. In the public private partnership, it is the partnership between private enterprises and a government organizations. And as you know about students, public means that is based on the government organization, and you know about the private concern, private situation, it is only based on the private concern. So in the public private partnership, it is a business organization financed and operated through a partnership between a private enterprise and a government organization. Okay, so students, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम आपको क्लियर करेंगे अबाउट द सिचुएशन, अबाउट द मीनिंग ऑफ द पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप, और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ट्रिपल पी. ओके, सो आज की क्लास में हम इतना ही क्लियर कर रहे हैं. ओके, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क द क्वेरी.